The Effects of Educational Technology on Student Outcomes in Mathematics by Diana Moore, Touro University in California. Introduction. United States math scores are below the global mean. In California, our scores are 8 points below the national average, placing us 40th out of the 50 United States. So what does this mean? This means that United States students are already underperforming many other countries in the world. And within our own country, California students are performing even below the mean. Research. There has been much research looking into mathematical growth in the classroom as it relates to technology use. For instance, technology use has been linked to outcome growth, but not all researchers agree. Some researchers believe that technology, if used appropriately, can have a dramatic effect. However, what has been agreed upon is that the teacher's selection of websites and applications plays a much larger role than originally intended. At-risk students perform much better due to increased equitability, giving all students the ability to interface with technology on a meaningful level gives all students, including those deemed at risk, a much better outcome. Currently, Khan Academy is a leading resource in many of our schools across the country. This leads to the question, how does Khan Academy specifically affect student learning in the classroom and the equity of access to the curriculum for all students? Study design. This study was designed to be quasi-experimental. The study included a test group and a control group, included 64 participants. Of these 64 participants, they all came from a 6th grade classroom, which had a similar composition. The study took place over a total of 5 school days with 50-minute periods each. At the end of the study, both quantitative and qualitative data was collected. Quantitative data included a pre- and post-test covering Common Core State Standard, Grade 6, Number Systems 3, or decimal operations. Qualitative data included an exit survey. The quantitative data. Students in both groups made similar progress within their cohort. If you look at both the pre- and the post-test values, what you see is that not a lot of progress was made beyond where they began. In the blue section, we have the control class, which was not provided with any technology when learning the lesson, and the test class, which was the red group. Both groups made an approximately equal amount of growth over the course of the study. Because of this, no significant discrepancy was found between the control and test groups, and thus none of this growth can be attributed to Khan Academy use. Qualitative data. Student motivation questions revealed that the majority of my students appreciated the interactivity that Khan Academy provided. Other answers included easy navigation and pacing. Additionally, many students felt there were some benefits. In fact, they seemed to be equally divided on the benefits that came from the use of technology in the classroom. These included review or moving forward ahead of the game, instant feedback, 21st century skills, and a better comprehension of what they were learning. Recommendations. I believe that more research must be done to determine Khan Academy's true effectiveness in the classroom. This type of study should take place over a much longer period of time. Additionally, the test group exposure to the content via Khan Academy should be significantly increased. Thank you very much, and that wraps up the effects of educational technology on student outcomes in mathematics.